Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can get and apply iOS Launcher on this smartphone. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to continue, select while using and allow in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Then go into Settings. In Settings, you need to choose Apps section, click on Default Apps and select Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, just click on it. Now, when I click on Got it, as you can see, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to switch between your launchers, you can go into the same settings and choose Moto or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!